Names of polynomials by degree. Polynomials are assigned names according to the degree they hold. They are as follows. A. Zero polynomial. This polynomial has all coefficients, constants and variables equal to 0. In other words, it contains only the number 0. The degree of the zero polynomial either is left undefined or is defined to be negative, usually -1 or -infinity. B. Zeroth degree polynomial. This polynomial, also known as non-zero constant polynomial, contains only one non-zero digit. For example, 3, 14, 127, etc. are all degree 0 polynomials. C. First degree polynomial, also known as linear polynomial. This type of polynomial contains one or more variables raised to the first power, with or without a constant. For example, p(x) equals 2x plus 3, p(x) y equals 2x minus 3y, p(x) y equals x minus 4y plus 1, etc. are all first-degree polynomials, as their terms contain only variables in the first power and numbers. D. Second-degree polynomial, which is the monomial with the highest degree 2. In the special case, when such polynomials contain a single variable, they are known as quadratic polynomials, as the variable is raised at the second power at maximum. For example, p(x) equals xy plus 3x plus 1 is a second-degree polynomial, as the first term xy contains two variables at the first power, so when we add their indices it gives the degree 1 plus 1 equals 2. However, this is not a quadratic polynomial, as none of the terms are quadratic. On the other hand, p(x) equals 5x2 plus 3x minus 1 is both a second degree and a quadratic polynomial, as the highest power of the single variable x is 2. E. Third degree polynomial, which is the monomial with the highest degree 3. In the special case, when such polynomials contain a single variable, they are known as cubic polynomials, as the variable is raised at the third power at maximum. For example, p(x) equals xy squared plus 5xy plus 1 is a third-degree polynomial, as the first term xy squared contains two variables at the first power and second power respectively, so when we add their indices it gives the degree 1 plus 2 equals 3. However, this is not a cubic polynomial, as none of the terms are cubic. On the other hand, p(x) equals 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x plus 1 is both a third degree and a cubic polynomial, as the highest power of the single variable x is 3. We can continue with the same logic to name the higher degree polynomials as shown in the table on screen. Example. Write the names of the following polynomials shown on screen, in terms of their degree. Solution. A. The degree of the polynomial shown on screen is obtained by looking at its second term minus x squared y squared, as when adding the indices yield 2 plus 2 equals 4, the highest total power. Therefore, this is a fourth-degree polynomial. However, this polynomial is not quartic, as it does not have only a single variable raised to the fourth power. B. The term with the higher power in the polynomial shown on screen is the first one. It has the variable x raised to the fifth power. Therefore, this is a fifth-degree polynomial. This is also a quintic polynomial, as since it contains a single variable, it represents a special case of fifth-degree polynomials. That is all for lesson 11.1.4. To continue this topic, please watch 11.1.5, Finding the Value of Polynomials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.iCalculator.info.